sa ito. Pure ball.
You don't have any ball on your hand. Yes.
Nice pa.
Ano ba yun?
You can sit down now.
Me?
Yeah, because you're
I'm
tired.
tired.
Okay, you can sit down and rest.
Nice.
Nice try.
Asa ito mahal ha?
What time you gonna finish? What time you gonna finish?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Hindi pa.
We pa.
Ayun, Kobe Bryant.
Go, Brian, go. Whoa. Go, Brian, go.
Grabe si Kuya Brian.
Grabe si Kuya Brian.
Ah!
I'm copying my mom. Now it's 5 minutes.
Oh, 2 points tapos 1 point yung pangalawa. Ha? Ano, 11 ako, 5 ka lang.